What's going on, guys? Hey, how's everybody? Hope everybody's doing well today. My name's Bert. This is GreensThings. Welcome to the channel. Today we're making pasteles. So we've got taro root, green bananas. Here's some assorted peppers that we're going to use. We're going to use this butternut squash right here. We've got our plantain. I'll keep you updated every step of the way. I'm going to start peeling this stuff up and getting it ready so we can put it all together at the end. Okay, everybody, we got about 2 pounds of pork. Okay, we're going to add this to the mix right here. We got a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of cumin and oregano. And we also going to add a tablespoon of adobo and 2 packets of Sazon. Let's get that put in. Another thing we're going to put in here too is we're going to put a can of tomato sauce in here. Okay? Get that mixed up. Another thing, guys, tablespoon of oregano, a can of garbanzo beans, and let's get some olives in there too. Mix this up nice. Since I pre-cooked my pork, we're going to let this cook for about 30-35 minutes on medium-high heat. Normally, you would cook it 45 to 50 minutes on about medium-high heat as well. While we're doing that, let's get our masa ready. Okay, for our masa, we are going to be using our food processor right here, and we're going to grate everything, chop, grate, shred it. Okay. If you haven't peeled a green banana, you might want to slice it down the middle. It's not as easy to peel. It doesn't peel like a yellow banana. And then you're going to have to, same thing with these plantains. Okay, to peel those, and those are going to get chopped as well. Okay, back over here. This is looking amazing. Smell that. I pretty much got this on low. It doesn't need to cook. It's just going to simmer for a little bit while we get everything else ready. I'm going to go ahead, add some kosher salt and a generous amount of black cracked pepper. All of your vegetables, your squash, pumpkin, whatever you're putting in there, your taro root, your plantain, your banana, make sure you wash everything good before you grate it up and put it into your blender. Okay, so we're going to make achiote oil. This is going to be used. We're going to put some of this in with our masa. We're going to put some of this in with our filling. And we're going to use this to grease up the inside of our banana leaves so that our pastele does not stick to the inside of the banana leaf. All right. We've got 6 tablespoons of achiote seeds, and we're cooking them up, simmering them on the stove, medium heat, until the whole mixture turns a bright red color. And then after that, we're going to strain out the seeds, and then voila, we will have our achiote oil. All right, let's go. Here we are getting set up. Okay, guys, a couple of things. You want to put a good sized spoon of this in with your meat and let it simmer, okay? Okay, guys, here we go. We're going to make our own recaito right here, okay? And we got bell peppers, okay? Yellow, red, orange, green. We also got we got yellow onion we're putting in here. I'm gonna put some. We're we're gonna put about 3 tablespoons of culantro. That's going in here also, into our recaito. Hey, one other thing, guys. Before you start blending this up, make sure you put about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in with this, or you can use, I'm actually gonna use a little bit of olive oil, or you could use avocado oil as well. 2 tablespoons. Hey guys, another thing you need to add, okay? 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, or you can use about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, put that in your recaito as well. Okay, the last thing, nothing would ever be right if we didn't put some kosher salt. Okay, put in a couple of good generous pinches of kosher salt. Here we go. Black pepper also needs to be in here. All right, one last thing. Keep in mind, guys, in case I happen to forget to tell you something on the video, be sure to pay attention to the ingredients and the directions for the video. One last thing, you're gonna need to put in 2 tablespoons of oregano. Couple more things. First, we're gonna try our recaito. Let's get a taste of this and see what it needs. Yeah, that's good. It does need just a little bit more salt. Okay, now that I added some more salt, let's go ahead and get it mixed up here. Give it a good mix. All right, now that we got this mixed up, let's take a taste. Oh yeah, that's good. Now back to our Yautia. All right, we're gonna put in 2.5 spoons. This spoon right here, this big spoon. 2.5 of those of our recaito is going into our Yautia right here. We're also gonna put 2 spoons of our achiote oil. That's going in here as well. Along with that, 2 packages of Sazon is getting mixed in. 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of adobo. That's getting mixed in. So let's get that done. All right, here we are, just about on the last thing. One last important thing that we need to make sure that we add to our Yautia is some of our broth from the meat. Okay? Very important to add this. You want to add about 2 spoonfuls. Now, that's these big spoons. Okay? We're going to add this. We're going to get it mixed up. Okay, that should be good. Going to get it mixed up and see how it tastes. Okay, here we go. Let's do a taste test. That tastes really good. All right. Here we are, guys. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna wash our banana leaves in warm water, okay? We're gonna remove this ridge, and we're gonna cut them into the sections that we need. Up now, okay? We got our parchment paper, okay? We're about to get our butcher string. We got our, ideally you wanna have like a 12 by 12 piece of banana leaf, and you're going to put it in the microwave for like 1.5 to 2 minutes to kind of soften it up a little bit before you use it. So let's go. All right, here we go with our leaf. We put a good portion of achiote oil on here. And now we're gonna add a spoonful. Let's get a spoonful of this on there. Good sized portion. Okay, maybe a little bit more. It's pretty good. All right, we got that. Now let's get our meat. Okay. No juice, guys. You don't need the juice. Let's put our meat on there like this. Maybe a little bit more meat. Okay. Let's get that on there like that. All right, now I'm holding the phone, so I'll have to show you after I wrap it up. But basically, I'm gonna take this and I fold this over here, fold it in half, and then I gotta come back the other way with it to tuck it in. Hold on 1 second. Okay, everybody, you see how I folded it over and then I came back and I folded these back twice. Now I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna bring this right back over here, and then I'm gonna flip the ends. All right, so here's our string right here. It's a loop. We're gonna take the tail, tuck it through the loop. So here's our loop right here in the middle. We brought it back. Here's our string. Now we're gonna go to the left and the right with the end of the string. So here's the string. I got it spread out to the left and the right. Now all we gotta do is flip it over. After flipping it over, I like to give it one more little twist, and I'm gonna go ahead, wrap it around, flip it over again. Guys. Tie it like you're tying your shoe. Give it a couple of bunny ears. And there it is, all wrapped up like a present. One down, a million to go. Hey everybody, so there they are. We put them in a pot. We got boiling hot water, okay? We got them in there, and they're gonna boil in there for 30 to 45 minutes. Keep the cover on, but you can leave it cracked so it don't boil over. Hey guys, if you noticed on the last frame, I was trying to cook them in a smaller pot. Go ahead and use a big pot, and that way they don't start to try to boil over. Give yourself enough room. Hey everybody, I just realized it's a lot easier if you put two together, like back to back. You know, the fold, put the folds on the inside, stack them. It's a lot easier, and you can tie them both together, because you're gonna eat two. If you eat them, if you cook them, you're gonna cook two at least. All right, there it is. All right, everybody, here we are after quite a while of cooking and everything. Look at this. We're about to do the taste test. Don't mind the mess. I just got done unwrapping these here. These will be going in the freezer. Okay. And we'll be cooking these up, I don't know, maybe every week, maybe for the next few days. I don't even know. But hey, about to do this taste test right here. Let's check it out. Let's see how it is. All right. Guys, this is delicious. Well, there it is. Thanks for stopping by today. My name is Bert. You've been watching GreensThings. Be sure to look at the ingredients and the instructions. They'll be in the description. And excuse me. And remember, you heard it here first. Take care and be blessed.